Today we are going to start again with the print command. Now as I told you, print command is used to solve mathematical calculation. Now we are going to start with the next step, that is to type text or to type words. Getting it? Now see here, what are the means? First we are going to start with the how to type a single word on the screen. For that purpose, where we are going to use the command again PR as it is. Always you are going to write the word print or PR. Then if I want to print a single word, or we can say if we want to display a single word on the screen, then always we have to put the quotation mark. Okay, how to use the quotation mark? Just use the shift key and press that required key, then you will get quotation mark on the screen, and then type the single word here, school, and as it is, always we are going to use enter key sign. See, this is the first rule. Whenever we want to type a single word on the screen, or we can say display a single word on the next line, always we have to use quotation mark. Getting it? Before the word, not necessary after the word, only it should be before the word, and enter key sign. Okay, why enter key sign? If you are not going to press enter key sign, your commands are not going to be work. So always we have to press enter key, and on the next line you will get the same word on the screen. Here we are finished with the how to get a single word on the screen. Then if we want to type a sentence on the screen, then it should be next again P, print or PR. Okay. Now whenever we are going to start with the sentence, it should always be enclosed within the square bracket. What do you mean by enclosed within the square bracket? Means you have to type the sentence inside your square bracket. Round bracket, it is not going to be accepted. So we are going to type the sentence. Okay, this is the second rule of sentence. Always sentence should be enclosed within the square bracket, and then you will get on the next line again the same sentence. My school is very big. Okay, see, all this print command is totally meant for the theory. Okay, इस सगळे जो आपण करतोय, that is totally questions are related to, means all we will get the questions related to your theory exam. Okay, म्हणून मी हा first print command घेतलेली आहे. Then we are going to start with the next, that is if we want to print the first word from the sentence. See here again, type as it is PR and then first. I keep the same sentence over here. Okay, I'm not going to change the sentence. PR first, then what is it going to be print? It's going to be print only the first word from the sentence. So you will get on the next line only the first word, that is my. Okay, here you cannot differentiate like the second sentence, third word. It is not going to be print like this. It is going to be print only the first and next one, that is the last. Okay, there is no other command like second word, third word, fourth word. It should not be like this. It is going to be print only the first and the last word from the sentence. Just now we have seen the first word. Now next command is PR last. My school is very big. Same sentence. So next line, what you will get? Again, the last word is big. Okay. Next command we are going to learn, that is PR but first. What is it? PR but first. Means what is it going to be displayed? It is going to be print the whole sentence without first word. Okay? Means it is not going to be print the first word, but remaining words it is going to be print, or you can say display on the next line. So you will get like this. School is very big. Okay? Next command that we are going to learn, that is PR but last. As already before I told you, it is going to be print only the first and the last word. The same here it is applicable for this also. It is going to be print only means these commands are going to be work like PR but first and PR but last. So again it is going to be print, or you can say display the whole sentence without last word. Means it is not going to be print the last word, that is B. Or and on the next line you will get my school is very. Getting it? So just now we have learned how to print, or we can say display the single word. For single word quotation mark is there for the sentence. Now about the sentence. As I told you, always whenever you are going to print or display the sentence, it should be within the square bracket. Okay? The next command we are learned about the print first, then print last, then print but first, and then print but last. Okay? We will get all the commands in form of like difference between or answer in one sentence. Okay? That work we will do it afterwards. I hope you understood it very well.
Students, now you are just now familiar with how to load logo language. See, all of you received this as I told you before earlier. You will get two boxes over here. You cannot select two boxes. You have to say this is this area is called as the drawing or main area, and this is called as the command or text area. Now as I told you, we do not require now turtle on the screen. Why? Because today we are going to start only with the print command. Okay? And we are not going to draw anything on this in this area. So with the help of mouse you can use this to maximize this. Isn't it? Now here we are going to start with the next is how to solve subtraction problem. Okay? As usual, we are going to type first print or PR word, isn't it? So just type PR or print. I just did over here print. Then any number that is of your choice. Then just now I used this is right side of key, right number side of keys. Okay. So just I type number 9 and then press space bar. Then again this minus sign that is available on the right side or just here to here after 0 key. Okay. Then any number, again as I told before earlier, today we are for whatever work we are going to start with the single digit only. Okay. So again today also you start with the single digit and see here press enter key. See all your commands you will able to see here in this area. Okay, here and here. So here you will able to see the commands and here you will able to see the answer. Now here only one method is there to use the subtraction. Okay. Now we are going to solve with the next, that is print command for what? Multiplication. Very good. So now I am going to use the word PR, isn't it? Any number that is of your choice, and see here on the right side of the keyboard also you will able to see this asterisk mark, or as I said you used shift with number 8, and then again any number that is of your choice and press space bar and then press enter key. Why? Because that multiplication sign, that is only called as an asterisk mark, and we are not able to use this cross sign or multiplication sign that you use in your daily आपण नेहमीच्या यूज करतो ते क्रॉस ते यूज करायचं नाही. We have to use asterisk mark. Okay, this is the first method of your multiplication. See here, now we are going to use the second method. Now I am going to use the word print, and then the word, which word we have to use to solve multiplication problem? Yes, that is called as product. Okay, you can type this word in capital letter also if you want, or is it okay? What happens? आता मी केलेलं आहे ते small letter केले, त्याच्याने काही फरक पडणार नाही. Again, use any number that is of your choice, and then again see here, product, then 6, then again any number that is of your choice. Here, see here, I did mistake before that. Okay, but I realized that I did the mistake, so I just use this backspace key. By mistake, if you press enter and afterwards you realize that I did the mistake, before also I told you don't use delete and backspace key. Okay, you have to type the yes multiplication problem. Got the answer? Now we will move to the, now I think this is what about the print command for subtraction and multiplication. Okay, so today you are going to solve the subtraction and the print command for multiplication. I mean, there are two methods with 5 sums. Okay, now here you can use only now CT command. Why not CS? Because we do not want to rub the draw, as the drawings are not there. So you are going to use here only the CT command. What is the use of the CT commands? Means here we did all the commands here, isn't it? So that commands are going to be rubbed. See here, all the commands are going to just rubbed everything from your screen. Now we are going to use by command. What is the use of that? To come out from the language. Okay, this is for your today's work. Okay.